Everyone has a story. Some read of stories, others have heard of stories. For me,
你凑
I
什么热
dream
闹？
about my
给我帮人家。
stories and I live them every day while still on this earth. This is ZongZi, a portion of traditional Chinese food made during the Dragon Boat Festival in commemoration of Yuan.
came to exist about 2,000 years ago.
Yes.
Which one is the right one?
Basically, he was sad, he was upset because he thinks that he was betrayed. So he jumped down. Then, in order to save him, so people just, because there was a lot of fish inside the ocean or sea, so they throw this rice into it, so that the fish will eat the rice instead of eating him. So, but it doesn't help. He died again, but in order to remember him, so that's how people. Yes.
But it's
只是包包比阿姨要小一
it
点
was。a particular part of China at that time, right?
Yeah,
But now everyone practices it. None of
it's
us.
become a culture, maybe. Yeah.
Well, 2000.
Even this is from China, but we Malaysia here, we also practice it. Yeah.
So does it mean out of the one point something billion Chinese people, most likely everyone practices this on this particular time?
I'm not too sure in China.
Even the ones in the US?
I'm not too sure in US, but my friend in US, Chinese, yes, they did still doing the dumpling, but not celebrate it in a bigger way. Just as a form of having it as usual rice or something. In Malaysia, yes, we are every year about this time. You can buy outside, you can see in the shopping mall everywhere. Yeah.
Yuan was a local legend. He felt betrayed and killed himself by jumping into a river after hearing that his beloved country Chu has been invaded and conquered by an exile. When the locals heard of this, they were distraught. Yuan was a man of the people, and in order to protect his body from being consumed by fishes in the river, they threw lumps of rice so the fish would eat that instead of his body. ZongZi. This act became a culture which is being practiced to this day, 2000 or more years after his death.
It's a bit sticky, but let's see how it tastes. After long hours walking from washing the beef to actually making and cooking this, it's time to enjoy the fruit of your labor. Meanwhile, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Foodie Adventures. In the meantime, if you want to try this, you can visit Four Seasons. Okay, time to focus on my meal. So I'm going to have to say goodbye here, but if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. DELECACY, Anka. So, bye bye now.
Oh damn, this was just a dream.